Hey guys, Micah with Peak Rescue. Thanks for all the positive feedback on these video series that we're shooting to you and your teams. We appreciate all that. Keep it coming. We like to hear what you guys need more of or what you want less of. This is coming back from some feedback we got. Some of you guys have asked about some of the tools we're using in classes or in these videos for ground school, sort of teaching, and I think these will be very valuable to you guys. So I'm gonna do a quick little video just kind of highlighting some of the stuff we do before we send on the next one. The big one we start with is the load cells. The load cells help with running numbers. You don't have to guess, you can actually get real numbers, putting them into your systems. This is something I've seen a lot of people really like, is actually seeing the numbers when they get in there. Not everybody can afford the expensive load cells though, we get that. And so what we found just in our ground schools for doing mechanical advantage, deviations, whatever it is, just working with weights, is these cheaper load cells really get the job done. These are super inexpensive, $30 to $50 compared to the $800 for the other ones. You can get them all over the internet, Amazon. A disclaimer, no life safety on these guys. These are just made for those ground schools demonstrations that we've been going over with you guys. But again, you can Google mini crane scale or miniature load cell and you get a bunch of these pop up. The difference is these are like the $50 ones that are metal. These are a little bit plastic. It doesn't really matter. Honestly, I think we went with a bunch of the plastic ones because it was cheaper. We could get more of them and put them more into our systems as far as that ground school. It helps you guys. If you find some more out there that you guys have found that are cheap and you guys like them better, let us know. We'd love to know. Moving on. Some of you guys have asked about some of the systems we put into our iPads or our phone that you can see instructors in class have. We have a bunch of different ones. We obviously use RigRight. We use a lot of the apps as far as the systems, as far as getting in our commands. The other one I like to talk to people about is the Notability. This is one where you can shoot photos, inlay it, you can find target hazards in your area, in your district, and then you guys can give each other scenarios, and then you can write all over the photo as far as what you want to see as far as scenarios. So Notability, that's also a good one you can put on your MyPads or your phone. The other one is our whiteboard that we've been traveling around with. You have a couple different versions of this, but basically we have really talented instructors who, all this is a whiteboard with a wood lining around it, and he's put holes through it, and then we have these pegs with little strings that we put through, and you can do different angles, and you can set up your different scenarios. We can write on it, ask you guys what loads you think you'll be seeing after we do our whiteboard talk. So pretty easy to make though. If you guys need information on that, get a hold of us and we'll show you how. The other one we've seen a lot is our command books. These are pretty big and hefty, but for our trench rescue classes, these have become really popular as far as setting you guys up for success, as writing out the command, staff, everybody's duties. We found these pretty useful. We have used them in confined space also, and in high angle, you guys know we've sent you guys out our little cards as far as command cards and what you're supposed to be doing for each position. We basically just made these laminated. You guys have all this available to you. We emailed it to you, but we laminate these cards, put Velcro on them. We do different ones inside. Inside here we have different whiteboards and then different laminations depending on what we're going through. Both sides have it on either side, so you can just flip it around depending on what you're doing with your command stuff, ICS system. So there's a couple tools, you guys. Hopefully that helps you. If you have any questions, contact us. We'll get you all the information on how to make these, or buy them online. We'll send you a link. Have a good day. Stay safe out there, guys. Thanks.